Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well and welcome to the platform of CodeChef. Okay, so today we're going to be solving the problem simple arithmetic. The difficulty level for this problem is Cakewalk and the prerequisites required are your basic mathematics. This is your educator Ansh and I hope you like my video. Let's proceed to the problem statement. Okay, now let's try and understand the problem statement. So basically, Chef is looking his sons for arithmetic skills by asking a simple provided question below. Given two numbers a and b, if my a is greater than b, then output the difference between two numbers. If my b is greater than a, then output the product of the two numbers. Else, if my a and b both are equal, then output the sum of the two numbers. Your son is busy doing something, so he asks for your help. Okay, so what the problem statement is saying is that I have two numbers, say my a and b. If my a is greater than b, then the problem is saying nothing but to output the difference between both the numbers. So output a minus b. If my b is greater than a, so basically else if we can put the condition of b is greater than a, then I have to output nothing but the product of two numbers, which is nothing but a into b, right? And otherwise, if my a and b both are equal, then I have to output the sum of the two numbers. So else, so basically if a greater than b, if b greater than a, otherwise both of them are equal, so I'll write an else. So else we can just simply write the sum of the two numbers, which is nothing but a plus b. And this becomes the approach to solve this particular problem, right? You can just simply implement this entire problem using if-else operations and you can print whatever the conditions are necessary according given in the question, right? So for my operations such as a and b, which is 2 comma 2, it is equal, so I'll print a plus b, which is 2 plus 2, which is 4, right? Then my a comma b is 2 comma 3. Here my b is greater than a, so I'll print the product, which is nothing but 3 into 2, which is nothing but 6, right? So this is what the problem statement is saying. Now let us proceed to the coding section to understand how we will implement this particular approach. Okay, now let us try and understand the code for the following problem. So here I have included all my necessary header files. Then in my main function, I initialize t as the number of test cases and I input t according to the input format. Then for each of my test case, I initialize my integers a and b and I take input my integers a and b according to the input format. Now as we discussed in the approach section, if my a is greater than b, we can simply print out the difference between both of them. If my b is greater than a, I can simply print out the product of both of them. Otherwise, I can simply print the sum of both of them, right? This is the approach for solving this particular problem. Now let us run our code of the example test case to see whether everything is working correctly or not. So as you can see, we got the exact output according to the output format. Now let us submit our code on the actual test cases to understand whether this works properly or not. Okay, so as you can see, we got the correct answer for the following problem, and yes, this becomes a valid approach to solve this particular problem. Now, let us discuss what mistakes people can make in solving this problem. I think the logic and the observation for this problem is very simple, and there are very low chances of making a mistake if you have understood the logic. So, this is the learning you get from watching my video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.